The average Arizona student will spend over 1,274 hours of their lives at school this year. Shouldn't they love it? At Pensar Academy, our students simply do. Why? Here are 5 reasons. First, our kids simply love the way we teach. Certified teachers begin instruction in a whole group setting, using best practices to maximize student engagement. Every lesson ends with an assessment. Students that have shown mastery move on to online enrichment. Students that need a little more assistance get pulled into a small group, right there, in time, as it happens. Students take what they learn and put it to practical use in something called project-based learning, or PBL. In PBL, students translate their learning to address real-world challenges. Students want to know the why of learning. We help them discover it. This is just one reason why students love Pensar Academy. Second, the Pensar Academy experience is fun and extends beyond the learning day. We offer championship caliber athletics that include football, volleyball, basketball, tennis, and soccer for all students in all grade levels. Our after-school program offers tutoring and clubs such as cooking, music, art, robotics, and all free of charge. Third, the Pensar Academy experience is individualized. Every student has an educational plan structured around their individual needs. Whether that is a student who needs a little bit more support, is historically in the middle of the pack, or a high achiever, all students at Pensar are lovingly challenged. With a gifted and talented program, advanced placement courses, special education services, and intervention classes, Pensar keeps things small so that each student gets what they need to be successful at school and, most importantly, grow. Fourth, the Pensar Academy experience is cutting edge. Our STEM curriculum gives students the tools, curriculum, and opportunities to experience high-octane learning in science, technology, engineering, and math. Every student is provided with a personal laptop, and media literacy training are introduced to robotics, 3D printing, coding, and weekly hands-on labs. Students gain background knowledge in a career field that is ever expanding in the private sector and is the future. Last but certainly not least, the Pensar culture, or as it is heard on campus, the Pensar way. Staff and students working together as communicators, collaborators, critical thinkers, and creators, coming together each day to aspire to do something truly awesome in the world. The annual school spirit shirt that was designed by our 4th graders. Students preparing for one of the monthly field trips to a local university or museum or indoor adventure park. The creation of Rube Goldberg machines to demonstrate Newton's laws of motion. Students running through obstacle courses using wit and athletic prowess in the bacon, brains, and brawn decathlon. The trumpets flaring as a live school mascot, Lady Madeline V, arrives for a student event such as staff versus student competitions, celebrations of learning, or the annual Maddie Claus gift giveaway. Excitement, engagement, and energy. That is the Pensar way. The results? Within the first year of opening our doors, Pensar Academy achieved the highest letter grade possible, an A rating from the Arizona Department of Education. Your student will spend over 1,274 hours of their lives at school this year. Shouldn't they love it? Enrollment is a click away.